Loaded with MarineMax, Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Today we're looking at our Sea Ray 26 Sundeck. Very nice looking setup here. Has the optional sea deck on the swim platform. Has the extra seating here on the back of the boat for when you're anchored up at the shoal, enjoying time with the family. Nice walk-through transom. Very nice setup here on the boat. Nice L lounger throughout the boat here. Snap-in carpet. Makes it easy for day on the water. Take everything out for easy cleaning. Captain's chair with fiberglass seating up and down here. Nice view back here. Have a nice wet bar area with the sink, with the stereo and extra storage and cooler. This is one of Sea Ray's #1 day boats out there on the water today. This has a great helm area. You have Garmin GPS chart plotter sounder, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, stainless steel toggle switches, digital throttle and shift, head compartment with the vacuum flush holding system and sink, walk through bow, and then your bow seating area with plenty of storage up here as well. What's nice with this too is this area is fun for the whole family. And this is again, Sea Ray's #1 day boat. You can go out with up to 12 to 14 people on this and have a great day out on the water lounging. Come and see us at MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, 609-494-2102. Be happy to show you this boat. Come check it out so you can get out on the water with the family. Thank you for looking.